Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Oral Cheeeese Ultra Clean Electric Toothbrush here. So this comes with 3 replacement brush heads, which actually, means it actually has 4, which is really cool. 300-day battery life, or up to. Magnetic levitation sonic motor, which means it's a nice, good, powerful motor. DuPont bristles. Up to 37,000 times per minute for the speed, which again goes along with the motor. 3 different cleaning modes, which are sensitive, clean, and then whitening. Full body washing, it's IPX7, so that means you can actually get the entire thing wet without ruining your toothbrush, which is really cool. Lighting effects, marquee lighting effects there. 30-second smart pulse mode, which is really cool. So do 30 seconds, so you do each zone in your mouth. 2-minute timer total, and again, very long lasting battery. It will take you 10 to 13 hours to charge it with a USB Type-C, but again, you do get up to 300 hours of actual usage. So it's really, really cool. And this one is going to be black in color. Come back to that in just a second, because I missed this. Of course, it's ultrasonic. Again, brush heads. You actually get a travel bag. We're just showing you what you should get, and a USB Type-C fast charging cable. We'll show that off here. So here we go. So yes, like I said, you actually get 4 different. These are really nice. You have 4 different brush heads. I mean, look at the capsule. It is really freaking nice looking. Yeah, so you get 4 different brush heads here. Looks like they're actually different types of brush heads as well. We'll come back to those in a moment. Got our toothbrush, and then we have the travel case, and then of course a little manual on that. And then here is of course the main event, the toothbrush itself. There's a little bit of a cap on there. So it's very nice. It's nice and weighty too. It does not feel like a cheap toothbrush. This feels really nice. We got some film. Peel that on off. Actually has a little bit of a charge to it. You can see that. That's really cool looking. Alright, so there are 3 different modes with this guy. So you turn it on, you'll hear turn on, it'll do its little awesome motion, hit it again, and hit it one more time to get your 3 different modes, and then of course there is off. So the first one is going to be sensitive with just the 1 arrow, hit again, it'll be clean, hit one more time, and it'll be white. Again, it'll turn off. So sensitive is 33,000 per minute. Clean is 36,000 per minute, and whitening is 37,000 per minute. Sensitive is gentle and soft. Clean is clean and protects the teeth. And then whitening is to remove dental stains with high frequency, which is really cool. Alright, then we'll look at the travel case, then we'll go back to the brush heads. Look at the different ones of those. So it does come with a USB Type-C charger. See there. It's a nice looking and feeling travel case here. There you go. And it is magnetic, as y'all can hear. Alright, now let's take a look at these brush heads. So again, there's 3 different brush heads here. Down a little manual. So that one. These are cool little cases too. There's actually a little, probably cannot see that, but there's a little spot for the toothbrush to sit in, which is really cool. There's this guy right here, and then there's the coolest looking one. There we go. So again, 3 different types of brush heads. So you have the 3D clean brush head, which is a medium, and it is 3D intensive design, soft bristles, grinding, round processing, suitable for sensitive teeth. Then you have the Smart Care brush head, which again is medium, And it is 3D intensive design, soft bristles, grinding, round processing, suitable for sensitive teeth. The color of the bristles will fade after 3 months of use. I'll tell you when you have to replace it or should replace it there. And then the last one is the Ultra Care brush head, which is actually super soft instead of medium. And each bundle of bristles is made up of 0.002 millimeter soft bristles, which evenly disperse the pressure on the gums and deeply clean the dirt on the insides of the gums. Reduce gingival discomfort, I'm probably saying it wrong, which should help basically prevent gingival bleeding and other symptoms. Yeah, so that is from the book itself. Yeah, this is really nice looking. And two, Cheeeese did send me this, which is really awesome, so thank you to them. And I will be doing a review of this after I've used it at least for a couple of times. It's really cool looking though. Look at that lighting. You can hear the intensity increasing on there as well. And those that were wondering, you charge it from the bottom. So the black bit, well, this one's black. The colored bit, or the black bit on mine, flips out, and then there's actually another piece here that you also flip out, and then there is a USB Type-C. That is, of course, to prevent water from getting in there, which is really cool. So again, that makes it the waterproof, so you can actually get the entire thing wet, not worry about it. Alright, yeah, so 80 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description, of course. I will be making a review of this in a few days here once I've used it and used all the different brush heads. 80 bucks though for a nice electric toothbrush with 4 heads, including that one. That's very cool. And it takes USB Type-C and a little charger. Then too, it looks like on their website you get 2 heads for only 15 bucks. These are US prices. Yeah. So thank you guys very much for watching. Again, thanks to Cheeeese for sending me this unit as well. Alright guys, thank you all. See y'all next time. Goodbye.